My name is Florian Dibra, and I'm an orthopedic surgeon specializing in hip and knee replacement at the Texas Joint Institute. So I was originally born and raised in Albania. I came here when I was 15 years old, and I went to medical school in Philadelphia at Jefferson Medical College. The Texas Joint Institute is composed of highly specialized orthopedic surgeons utilizing those latest techniques and latest technologies. So if you are looking for a hip and knee replacement, being able to go to a center who strictly specializes in a few surgeries versus multiple different surgeries, I think is more beneficial for them, because we can not only perform the easy surgeries but also do the complex ones, or revisions or infections. Everything that we do is what we say is a what and how and why, right? And so what I do is hip and knee replacement. How I do it is my sort of special techniques with muscle sparing, robotic technology. But why we're doing it is because, well, number one, my patient to be pain-free, and number two, being able to see them go back to the things that they enjoy the most. And so my care philosophy is essentially just all about the patient, from the moment they step into the door to seeing them seeing them travel the world, getting these awesome photos and texts from them saying that they're doing so well and they're back to finally achieving their goals. We have a very unique opportunity here as orthopedic surgeons, especially when we specialize in hip and knee replacements, to restore these degenerative joints, to get these patients up and going, to get them back to their activities that they want to perform. So that's really the reason why I practice medicine.